ठुमरी that I'm going to share with you is Kanha मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी. Just 6 words. Kanha मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी. Kanha, Krishna. मैं, me. तो से, you. Hari, I give up. Chodo, leave my sari. So this is just 6 words that we are going to explore. Now, if I was to just do it as I was doing this, Kanha, मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी. That's it, right? Finish. The sentence is done. But supposing we were to give more options. Once we show Kanha like this, the other time we show Kanha like that, or then we say Kanha, or Kanha, or Kanha. There are many ways that you can show Kanha. Main, me, you can be arrogant about me, main, or you could be, what do I do? Me. Or you could say, me, looking for him. Or you could say, me, scared. Whichever notion or emotion you are feeling, you can then replace that me. Tose, the third word. Tose could be him, or tose, 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 tose. You're surprised? What is wrong with you? Or just, I love you so much. Tose, I can't give up. I just can't give you up. Tose, hari, I give up. Or hari, don't come close. Or hari, go away. Or hari, what do you want? It depends what is there in you. So these are little words. You have to intelligently, intellectually make your sentence. That sentence depends on nobody but you, because you are the artist.